Good afternoon all. Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. You're audible.
You discussed what is the dielectric no? Earlier. This is a battery. C naught is the capacitance, V naught is the potential difference, E naught is the electric field, this is the energy. This is with air. Okay. Now keeping the battery. Okay. So that means know what happens, we should know. This is dielectric we are placed. Understood this? Is it clear?
Yes, sir. Clear.
Now let the new values be capacitance C, potential V, this is electric field, this is potential energy. Okay. Now
Yes, sir.
whenever battery remains constant, what will be remaining constant? Battery is connected.
Potential difference.
Yes, this is V plus, this is V minus. So the same potential will be there now. This will also
Yes.
have V plus, this is V minus. This is also V plus, this is V minus. That means as long as the same battery is there, PD will not change now. Agreed?
Yes, sir.
Agreed?
Yes, sir.
Therefore, what you have? V equals V naught now with dielectric and without dielectric. Then what happens to capacitance? See, this is epsilon naught A by D. With this epsilon medium, you have this now. This is nothing but this is only K now.
Yes, sir. Okay.
Any doubt till here?
No doubt.
Therefore, capacitor becomes K times. Understood this? Shall I turn this?
1 minute, sir, please. 1 minute, sir, please.
He'll be asking what happens to various quantities. Shall I turn this?
1 minute, sir. 1 minute. Done, sir. Done, sir.
Shall I turn this?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Now, what happens to the charge? Charge. CV, you know. This is Kc naught, this is V naught, no? That means charge becomes K times, no? So charge increase or not? Similarly, electric field. Potential difference by distance of separation. This is V naught by D. Electric field remains same, no? Agreed? Similarly, what is the energy? Understood this?
Yes.
Followed this?
Yes, sir. Followed, sir.
1 minute, sir. Done, sir.
Now, suppose the capacitor is this, With air you have C naught, V naught, E naught, U naught. Now battery is disconnected. When you disconnect the battery, what happens? Capacitor is isolated, no? Isolated means not connected to anything, no? This implies charge on the capacitor remains constant, no? Agreed? Hello?
Yes, sir.
So remember, battery is disconnected means charge remains constant. Is it clear? So now Q will be equal to Q naught. Again, C equals, that is epsilon naught, sorry, epsilon, this is epsilon naught K A by D. Now, what happened to the potential? Potential Q
Sir.
by C, Q naught by K C naught. So potential decreases by K. What happens to the electric field? This is V naught by K into D. V naught by D is nothing but electric field. Then what happened to energy? Q naught square by 1 by K Q naught square by 2 C naught. So energy also decreases by K. Understood this? So whenever you are disconnecting a battery and you are introducing a dielectric, then what happens? Charge remains same, capacitor becomes K times, potential decreases by K, electric field becomes 1 by K, potential energy becomes 1 by K. Understood this?
Yes, sir.
Shall I turn this?
1 minute, sir. Done, sir.
1 minute, sir.
Shall I turn this?
Yes, sir.
There is some laws. One is Kirchhoff's law. One is the junction rule. See here, this is one capacitor. So this charge Q is coming like this, entering. Another capacitor is like this. Say this is Q1, this is Q2. Till here you followed. Now
Yes,
charge
sir.
is entering means this plate, this is positive charge entering. Now what will be this? Plus. What will be this?
Negative.
Minus.
Negative.
This is plus Q, this is minus Q. So here what will be there? Q1. So what will be here?
Minus
Q.
Q1.
What will be here? Q2.
Plus
What will
Q.
be here?
Minus Q2.
Any doubt is that till here?
No doubt, sir.
Now you can see these are they connected to anything? That is an isolated system, no?
Yes,
This is
sir.
one system of plates or not? See, look at this. So this is plus Q2. What is this? What is this? Minus Q. Agreed. So, any doubt?
No doubt, sir.
Now, actually, this is as such neutral only, no? This is a conductor not connected to anything. So, what you should have? Net charge must be zero, no? Isolated.
Sir. Yes, sir.
Do you agree with this? This is not connected to any battery or what? Understood this?
Yes, sir. Not connected.
That means charge remains conserved, no? Total charge should be zero, no?
Yes, sir. Will be 0.
Understood this?
Yes, sir.
Is it clear?
Clear, sir. Clear.
So I can say that charge entering is the junction, no? Charge entering a junction, okay, is equal to charge leaving the junction, no?
Yes, sir.
I can say that, shall I turn this?
1 minute. 1 minute, sir.
Shall I turn this?
Sir, 1 minute, sir, please, sir.
Completed?
Yes, sir, completed.
Then you have loop rule. See, loop means a path. Loop is nothing but a closed path, no?
Yes, sir.
Say, for example, you are having a capacitor like this. Say this is plus Q minus Q. Now, the loop direction is this. Loop means, I'll tell what is it. Loop direction means you move like this. I'll tell you what is it. Okay. Now you can see you're going from where to where? Positive to negative, no? So what you should take? Understood this? Then
Yes, sir.
suppose this is plus, this is minus Q. You are traveling like this. Then there is a gain, no? Negative to positive means what? Understood this? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Now this is a battery. If you go like this, there is a rise in voltage, no? Plus here. Suppose the same battery you are going like this. What you have?
Drop in voltage.
By positive to negative, no? Okay. So what is loop rule is, understood this? Let us apply this
Yes,
to a
sir.
compressor. Shall I turn this?
1 minute, sir, please wait.
Completed?
Yes.
Yes, sir. Sir, one doubt, sir. Sir,
Tell.
this last statement now, sir. In a
Hmm.
closed circuit, algebraic sum of the raised up and drop down.
Hmm. Hmm. Hmm.
So this means this plus epsilon minus epsilon, that one, sir.
Hmm. I'll tell you, wait, understand the meaning of this.
Yes, sir.
These are not closed circuits. So only thing, this is a drop, positive to negative. Rise, negative to positive. Rise, negative to positive. Drop, positive, negative. Now we'll apply this to some circuit. So we are having here one simple circuit. One battery. Suppose you have a situation like this. Understood this? So I'll assume that some charge comes like this. Okay. See, in series, same charge will be there. Now, see, please see, when this is an isolated, now, observe carefully. When this is a minus Q3, this should be what? Plus Q3, no? Because this entire thing is on conductor, not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Agreed.
So, this is minus Q plus Q3. So, this will induce what? Some charge comes on this man Q3 that will induce minus Q3. Now, this
Yes,
is
sir.
an in this is one
Conductor.
isolated one. So minus Q3 comes on one side, plus Q3 will be there. That will induce minus Q3. Understood this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now we don't know what charge will be there. Let this be some Q2. This is minus Q2. This is Q4. Minus Q4. Agreed? Followed till here.
Followed, sir.
Now this is one loop. For this loop we will apply. We are going like this, negative to positive. Rise only, no?
Yes, sir.
Hello? This is
minus q3
drop. This is
plus
plus to minus drop only, no?
yes sir, yes sir, yes sir.
You come like this. What do you have? Understood this?
Yes sir.
Now for this loop you apply next loop. This is a drop, no? Understood this? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Followed this?
Follow, sir.
Yes sir.
Sir, it in first one, sir, first loop, it should be plus Q4 by C4, no, sir?
Why? You're going
Gain,
from here to here. What is happening, man? Positive to negative, gain or loss? You're
gain, sir.
moving like this. Huh?
Loss,
Positive
sir,
to negative.
loss. Yes, sir,
Minus.
loss. Yes, sir, understood.
Gain, positive, loss, loss.
Yes, sir, understood.
Followed this?
Followed, sir, but 1 minute, sir, please.
Shall I turn this?
1 minute, sir, last line. Done, sir.
Okay. See, there are several ways to solve these problems. We'll start like this. To begin with, let Q come from like this. So this will be plus Q minus Q. Let X go here. This will be Q minus X. This will be positive. This will be negative. Do you agree with this? Then this is
Yes.
Q minus X. See, total charge should be understood this. Any doubt is there till here?
No doubts.
Sir, for the second cell, sir, I have a doubt.
Tell.
Yes, sir, how that Q minus X came, sir, over there for the second cell, right one.
This one. This one.
Upwards, sir, the right cell. Yes, sir, that
This,
one.
this Q
No, sir.
minus 5. This goes over and comes over here. This all Same line, no?
Q is splitted into X and Q minus X.
See, means same line means same charge will be there. There is no bifurcations, no? Like,
Understood, sir.
view this as a channel of water flow. There is no other path, no? Suppose there is a path like this, then it divides. Otherwise, it will go the same way, no?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Understood.
Till here you followed, all of you?
Hello, sir.
Followed, sir.
Tell me.
Sir, why we are taking Q minus X, sir?
If it goes X, what will be left over here? Mental. Q is coming here. When X bifurcates, here there are two paths, no? Some
Yes.
charge should go like this, no?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Understood, sir.
Now apply Kirchhoff's law for this. Minus Q by C. This is
Minus X by
some C. Okay. This is plus 2, 0 for this path. For this path, do you agree with this?
sir
Hmm?
minus of Q minus X by 2, no, sir.
This one.
Yes, sir.
Followed this.
Yes, sir.
Now there are two equations, two unknowns, no? Understood this? Can't you solve? Can you solve or not?
We can, sir. We can.
Do it. Get X from this one in terms of Q, that is substitute here. Or you subtract these two, automatically Q by 2 will get cancelled, no? Subtract, Q by 2 will get cancelled, you will get X. Can you subtract? How much you got? Subtract this equation from this, that's all.
Sir, Q is equal to minus 12 by C plus 8.
Pardon? What is this one? Can't you subtract this? X you are getting as 0, no? You're not getting x as 0.
Yes, sir. X equal to 0, Q equal to 2.
Q is how much?
2.
Anyhow, see, x is 0, no? Observe carefully. Agree? Agree or not? Hello, you got this? What is x you got, man?
0, sir.
X is 0, sir.
X is 0, no? So you look at this circuit you take. VA, when you're going from negative to positive, what you'll get? Plus x by that C should be equal to VB, no? VA plus x by C equals VB, no? This potential plus added to this will be the potential here, no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So VA minus VB is equal to 0. Understood this? Is it clear?
Understood,
Followed
sir.
this?
Yes, sir.
Understood
Follow.
this?
Yes, understood.
Yes, sir.
See, at any point you start, there's a rise here. That should be equal to this. Understood this?
Yes, sir.
Sir, so Q is 4 microcoulomb, right?
We don't need Q, no? We have.
Sorry, sir.
He is not asking Q value, no? Okay. He is asking only PD.
Yes, sir.
In 10th class, he did not study all this. Kirchhoff's law. Current electricity he studied, no?
Yes, sir, but not Kirchhoff's law. We studied Ohm's law. That's it.
Kirchhoff's law also we studied, sir. Loop law and the Johnson law also.
Hmm.
We studied, sir, both the laws. Loop law and Johnson law.
Sir, for CBSE, it wasn't there.
Four farad. Okay. Suppose if he asks, here you may start anywhere. This is the highest potential, no? Among these three batteries is the highest. So let the charge come from like this. The same charge flows throughout, no? Now come back to this. As you go like this, you remember for a capacitor, this is charge is entering, no? Please see. When charge enters, follow this or not?
Following, sir.
See, remember for this any capacitor, this is Q. That means this is positive, negative. This is Q. Understood this?
Yes, sir.
Now you can apply Kirchhoff's law. This is positive. From where it comes is positive, negative, no? So you are rising, no? You are going, what you are having? Rise in potential, no?
Yes.
Negative to positive. So you are going in this loop direction. This is a -1, no? This is plus Q by 2, no? Do you agree or not? You are going like this, plus 2 plus Q by 6 plus 6 plus Q by 12. Q by C, no? All of you followed this? Get
Yes.
Q. Understood?
Yes.
Any
Yes, sir.
capacitor, it is coming like this and you are moving like this. Loop is also this one, no? It will be plus Q by C. Understood this? How much you got Q?
Sir, I have a doubt.
Tell.
Sir, the plate of the capacitor which is near to the positive terminal will be positive, right?
There is no such rule. Who told you that?
Sir, in the previous problems, we have been following that.
We never did like that. I never took anything that is positive, negative. Only thing is I assumed some charge going. Okay, I can take the other way also. If I get negative, that means opposite to my assumption. Suppose if I get Q as negative, that means charge is flowing in this way.
No doubt.
Remember, a battery just pulls the charge on one plate, transfers it to the other.
Yes, sir. Understood.
Hello?
Sir, Q equal to -7.
You're getting -7. That means opposite to our assumption. -7, huh? So this
Yes, sir.
implies that means it will be like this. 7 coulombs, no? Agreed. This is P
Yes,
N.
sir.
Now, see, remember, suppose a capacitor, if charge enters and you are moving like this. This is loop because this is positive, negative. And you move like this in the loop. Then what you have? Q by C is the rise. Follow what I am saying?
Yes, sir. Followed.
This is Q. That means this is Q, no? Understood this?
Yes, sir.
If you go like this, rise. Understood this? Followed? So I can summarize like this what we learned.
Sir, can you turn the previous page once?
1 second. So for a capacitor, always remember that the entry point, if this is positive, this is negative. If you take like this, that means it's Q, no? Understood this? Is it clear? Now suppose if you move like this, what you have? Minus Q by C. This is move. What you will get? Q by C. Agreed?
Yes, sir. Agreed.
Yes, sir.
Till here you followed? So in case of a battery, if you move like this, EMF, no, you should take what? Minus E. The same battery, if you move in the loop like this, then you should take plus E. Understood this? Is it clear? Now in our problem, just what we got, I am reconstructing this. Suppose is a situation now current, which direction we got just now? Charge is flowing in this direction. This way now?
From P to M.
That means see here, what I said, entry point is positive. If you look at this, entry point positive, negative.
Yes, sir.
Now start from P. As you go to the loss, no?
Minus.
Here this is minus 6. This is minus Q by C. Is Vm, no? So Vp minus 7 by 12 minus 6 is Vm. Now he is asking Vp minus Vm. Understood this?
What
Yes.
is 3 by 6?
You got like this only, Q minus you got up previously, check up.
Like this only, sir.
Correct only. Correct only.
Yes, sir. Correct only.
Yes, sir, correct.
Understood this?
Yes, sir.
Hello? Any doubt?
No, sir, no doubt.
Yes, sir.
1 minute, sir, writing.
Finished?
Yes, sir, completed.
See, finished or not? Any doubt?
No
No,
doubt,
sir.
sir, completed.
See, man, in school you did not learn anything. You came here now. Now, if you don't learn now, this is one subject. Okay, followed in IIT. When we are studying, these are what we now guides they are following all these setting. Complete circuits only, you can see. complete engineering is physics only. Is not, why I
Total
am sure.
one book.
Is only on the circuits here. Now you people are taking very simply. Like, I am worried, man. If you thinking about your what will be their future. You won't understand anything over there. Horrible language it will be here. And nobody teaches you over there. You're thinking. This is the last time you are listening to a teacher is this. Higher classes, nobody will teach. They're least bothered. Just like how you are least bothered now, later they are least bothered. Okay. This is one small network analysis like that. Every topic you study, for example, elasticity is there now. In engineering, we got strength of materials. One complete, only on elasticity, 200 marks paper will be there. Okay. Similarly, dynamics. Here. This dynamics, you can see all this you learned or not?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Why IIT papers are difficult is the professors have touch with all these things. So they have some complete knowledge of all this. Rotational mechanics. Understood this? Sometimes I'll be feeling how these people will study all these things. Like that, you have statics, you have antennas. Every chapter you are having here, you will come across in engineering. You won't understand anything if you don't know anything. And teaching all this, forget about that IITs and all. But at least you should understand the language of engineering. No? Now what happens is, we have our worst system in our country, the education system. Politicians, hopeless fellows won't think the repercussions. They gave, every politician has one college. Every politician, Malla Reddy, he is a MLA, he has one college, MLA or MP. Like that you have Shad and education, all these are politicians only. MIM, AM, what is that, MIM, all these are links are there. So what is happening is, number of seats of engineering colleges are more than number of students available. So somehow you will just do here, pass IP, some MSET rank you just go, 2 lakh rank you'll get some seat. There you will go, private college will give one certificate, they will pass you, you'll come out. After that you'll attend interviews, you won't get selected. Then the real trouble starts. That is the reason why we have unemployment, no? Actually, if really the colleges are strictly assessing the student, why this trouble will be there, man? Only IITs, NIITs are having that assessment. Rest all are waste colleges. So knowledge won't be there. You're thinking why they kept all this is, any student of 11th and 12th, they must have this knowledge. And because people, for example, biophysics students are there. Not required physics it seems. Oximeter, how does it function? Or stethoscope, how does it function? Everywhere physics is there now. The problem is just to push the student into a comfort zone, they created all this. And student really believes. This is really a very, very involved subject, man. It's not such an easy one. And you're so happy as I am getting 10 seeing your life. What you will do in future. See here, find the charge on the capacitor. What is the voltage here?
0.
0.
So take the 0. Let us go like this. I am going like this. Okay? -4. Now you are entering here. What I said, entry, what we have previously.
Plus Q by 3.
Positive.
Huh? Entry, what is it? Positive,
Minus
negative.
Q by 3. Yes, sir.
Entry, the terminal should be
Minus
positive, entry terminal. So entry terminal, positive, negative. Same line, no, there is no other path. Same path, you will have same charge. Again, potential is 0, no? 0, go like this. Drop, -4, no? I gave this only, man. That battery I gave, no?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Remember this?
Yes, sir.
0, -4, minus q by 3 plus 2 minus q by 6 equals 0. Understood this? Find out
Q
q.
equal to -4, sir. Q
Minus?
equal to -4.
Minus?
4.
-4.
4. Yes, sir.
Plus 4 or -4? Hmm?
-4 only, sir.
So that means actually this whole syllabus was framed for IIT by IIT professor. This is needed for engineering. Unfortunately, this college has spoiled this. Your chemistry won't come in engineering. Your maths except calculus, nothing is useful. Physics totally you'll be using. So that means now the charge is in which direction? This direction.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now you can see, start from here, 0. Charge is like this, no? Plus, minus. Understood this?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
0 minus q by 6. This is 2 volt, no? Minus 2 equals Vp, no? We agree with this? So what is Vp? That means this is at lower potential as compared to this by how much? 8 by 3. Understood this? Hello?
Yes, sir. Understood.
Yes, sir.
If you want to go from here to here also, Vp minus q by 3 plus 4 is 0. What is q? 4 by 3 minus 4. How much it will be? Same thing you got or not? If I move from here to here. Hello?
Yes, sir.
Human beings have one worst tendency. Somebody tells some lies for our comfort, we believe. That is the worst thing. No need of this. You can leave it. He'll feel very happy. If it is no need, why they'll keep in syllabus, man? No other work for them. Now, presently, JL40, your juniors are excellent. JL41, no, horrible. They can't even 1 by 2 power minus 1. If you take numerator 2 power 1, they don't know. They are taken into IIT batches. What we can say? Children should first think what for you are studying. Usually, children feel that you are studying for the sake of teacher. There is one nonsense. Of it. Shall I turn this? Followed.
Yes, sir, followed.
Now, how are Tamanna question papers?
Yes, sir.
Tamanna says question papers.
Comparatively more difficult than what Sharma sir gives.
This I was telling you from beginning. SAR has the habit of student satisfaction. Make students happy. My thing is, let the student struggle and trouble. Either he will quit or study well. Why to show fancy world? Now we have to find the charges on the capacitors. If you want, you can go from here A to B. Suppose I am assuming a charge Q till minus 12. You go from here to here. What do you have? Minus 4.
Minus
This is
4
entry now. What do you have?
minus q by 6
Minus q by 6.
plus
0.
2 minus q by 3.
See how much you are getting? Actually, for you people, we should teach 3 stages. Usually, 2 stages means in advance. For you people, below that means one stage is there. From there, we have to start. All fundamental. Now I am teaching now. All these are fundamental things. After this, then we should go to mains level, then advance. The problem is you won't give time. Officers, no, extra classes you won't attend. That's why I too thought why unnecessarily. How much you got?
Minus 28.
Minus 28 means opposite to our assumption, no? That means
Yes,
in
sir.
reality charge will be flowing here. Understood this? Now we had some
One
basic.
so 6 farad capacitor, no sir. Sir, in that left side should be negative, no sir.
Huh?
Sir, left plate must be negative, no sir. This 6 farad capacitor.
Yes. Entry positive, next negative. This is entry positive, negative. You wrote all this?
Yes, sir. Wrote this understood, sir.
Same thing. Here charge is entry positive. If this is positive, negative, no? Charge is entering here. Same charge. Positive, negative. Agreed?
Agreed, sir. Agreed.
It won't deviate, man. Everywhere the same. Shall I turn this?
Yes,
So
sir.
1 minute. So 1 minute, sir, please. Yes, sir. Completed.
Once again, I am saying entry positive. Entry. This is positive, negative. Okay.
Yes, sir, understood.
Yes, sir.
This is coming like this means this is entry. Understood? Because positive charge is and deposited on this. That's entry positive, that plate. Entry positive, oppositely negative. Understood this?
Yes, sir, understood.
grouping of capacitors. That means replacing understood this. Suppose we are having capacitors like this. Now you can see if we connect all this to the positive, this is negative. See, this is V plus only, no? Every point is having plus only, no? This is V minus, no? Hello? Hello?
Yes, sir.
See, when you keep your hand in switchboard has 230 means you will also get the 230. That's why you get shock, no? Similarly, from this point, these
Yes,
plates
sir.
are connected. Understood this? Now you can see all these are having upper one is V plus, lower one is this. Upper one is this. So put, what is constant for all?
Potential.
Understood this?
Yes, sir. Understood.
Any doubt?
No, sir.
Now suppose this is so such. Agreed. Now you can see this is C1, C2, C3. You know that Q is equal to CV now. V is same now. Now as C changes, what will change? Agreed. Followed.
Yes, sir. Followed.
So each capacitor will have different charges. On this, suppose this is Q1. That means this is Q1. Agreed. See, this is Q2 means following or not? That means what has entered here? Q2, no? Entry only, no? We should take. Remember
Yes.
this or not? Answer something.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
That means what will be here? What is the value here? Q2 plus Q3. Now this is Q1, no? What will be this?
Q1 plus Q2 plus Q3.
This is the charge given by the battery, no?
Yes, sir.
Followed this?
Yes, sir. Followed.
Any doubt? Now suppose I replace this combination. Equivalent means in place of 3 capacitors, I will keep a single capacitor, call it as parallel combination. So that the charge should be same. What is the charge? Q only. What charge is given? Understood this? When you connect the connect the same battery, the charge drawn must be same. Then this is called equivalent of this. There are three capacitors connected. This combination draws a charge Q when connected to a cell of potential difference V. Now, in place of these three capacitors, if I take a single capacitor and connect it to the same battery and same charge is drawn, then this is called the parallel combination of all these three. Understood this? Or equivalent capacitance of these three. Understood
Yes,
or
sir.
not?
Understood, sir.
Yes, sir.
This is nothing but Cp into V now.
Yes, sir.
Understood? So this capacitor Cp is nothing but C1 plus C2 plus C3. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Shall I turn this?
1 minute, sir. Completed, sir.
Finish?
Yes, sir.
So when capacitors are in parallel, what will have? All capacitors have
Same potential.